Good afternoon from Okinawa, Japan, home of OkiSubies. Today we get to work on a new car, 2021 Ascent FA24. Customer imported this thing from America. Finally here. Already wants an exhaust for it, but there's not a lot of aftermarket for it, so we get to do a custom one today. Won't be too detailed, really more of a before and after and kind of a layout of the exhaust. Short on time, we'll see what we can do. Okinawa, Japan. Ready? Yep. Whoa, that's cute. There you go. That's the before, guys. Nice and quiet. All right, so we got it all out. This is what it looks like right now. Big old thing. What size them mufflers too. It's gonna be a big difference in sound. See what we're working with here. As you can see, we have two Ginome style exhausts. Obviously they don't make this for the Ascent. So the customer actually got these for the BP Legacy. And we're gonna have to custom make them to fit this car. Fun stuff, right? So I've already made the Y pipe in advance. I knew that was gonna take some time. So made that already. Got a couple of V-bands. What I plan to do is actually connect from here to this, but I'm gonna put a V-band instead of the flanges. It goes all the way down here. We have the OEM style flange that will go over there. We got a bunch of 2.5 inch. We got some bends, some 60 millimeters, so we'll actually reduce to a smaller size towards the back to try to match the Ginome width. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make that all into one big custom exhaust and see what it sounds like. Well, first things first, I've already mocked them up on the back side. None of these flanges will even be close to matching up, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off, and I will have to make new ones to fit this to go to the back bumper exactly where the customer wants it. So we will go ahead and first cut those off and then go from there. 30 seconds to an hour. We got some pipes cut here. Check it out, OkiSubies mask. There's a little brace underneath the car, so I'm just gonna use a little pie cut and bring it down a little bit towards the center. That's why there's a bunch of those pieces. I was hoping to be able to go one straight pipe all the way back, but that brace is the pipe, the actual exhaust would be like right underneath it. You can see it right there. So it is what it is. Drop it down a little bit, so we'll get some things tack welded and put it in here and start putting this thing together. All right, so we're back only 3 days later or something like that. It took me forever to make this exhaust. It is pretty crazy. The simple in itself, not like the most amazing of welds, but I mean it does the trick. Bunch of pie cuts and put the V-bands on the edge. And then, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install it and hear what it sounds like. All right, so we're back. We got the dual exhaust tips. V-band blend. Let's do a sound clip. Alright y'all, well thanks for tuning in. Like I said, it wasn't too much of a detail, just kind of a before and after. Really could have just done a sound clip, but I just showed you a little bit of the process of building the exhaust here. But yeah, Ascent in Okinawa, Japan. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah.